Over the last month, my YouTube channel has been growing really well. And honestly, the reason behind this success is not my videos or even my content. The real game changer was the thumbnail, a scroll-stopping, eye-catching thumbnail that made people pause and click.
If you want to grow your channel, you need to improve your thumbnail. And the good news is, you can learn how to make a powerful thumbnail. You don't need to learn complicated software, and you don't need to be a graphic designer. Just follow my channel and watch the full video. I'll show you how to create a professional, scroll-stopping thumbnail using Canva, all by yourself. Once you open Canva, you'll see this interface. Click here on the Create button. On the left side, you'll see the main template section by default, or you can search for whatever you want right here. Now, let's type thumbnail here and see what comes up. You'll see multiple thumbnail categories appear, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you choose any option, the next step opens a blank canvas where you can design your thumbnail. In this tutorial, we'll take a ready-made thumbnail template and turn it into our own. Scroll down, and now choose any thumbnail, and we'll try to make something similar to it. I'll choose this sample thumbnail and try to copy it step by step. Select this text and you'll see a few option icons appear. Using these icons, you can delete it, duplicate it, or lock it. All the text you see here is editable. You can edit it, delete it, or replace it with your own text. Let's start with the text. Select it, remove it, or delete it, and then rewrite it to see how it looks. You can reduce the text size by clicking here, or you can increase it by clicking the plus button. Click here to change the text color, and then choose any color from here. As you move this point, you'll notice the text color changing as well. Here, you can see two color options, solid color and gradient. When you click on gradient, you'll notice different styles appear. Let's explore them one by one and see how the text looks. Now click here on Effects. You'll see different text effect styles appear. Let's try them one by one and see which ones look nice and which ones don't. If we hold this point and move it, you'll notice on the text how the style starts changing. By moving this point, the text shadow starts to change its direction.
you can take your time and adjust it slowly.
This option controls the shadow blur. You can increase it or reduce it and set the blur exactly as you need.
By moving this point, you can adjust the transparency. Scroll down by holding this line and then click on Outline. The text we selected, after clicking on Outline, changes from simple text to text covered with an outline. With this point, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the text outline. You can change the outline color by clicking here. Let's explore all the available effect styles here to understand one by one how they works and where we can apply them. Scroll down and click on Background. You'll notice your text now appears with a background. Using these options, you can adjust the background, corner, spread, and transparency. Scroll down and you'll see the Shape option. By default, none is selected. If you want, you can make your text curved. This can make your text look more attractive. You can change the curve direction to either side by moving this point, just like this. Let's delete everything and start creating a new thumbnail from scratch. Now, here's an important question. How do you create a scroll-stopping and eye-catching thumbnail? First, we need to imagine what elements we want to include in our thumbnail. This depends on the type of thumbnail you're trying to create. For now, we're focusing on learning how to copy an existing thumbnail the right way. Let's find one thumbnail and learn how to create the same thumbnail. I'll choose this sample thumbnail and try to copy it step by step. Take a close look and think carefully about what's used in this thumbnail. Try to identify the key elements that make it work. Click here on Add Page. Click here to delete the background or to change the background color. Click here on the background color icon. As you can see, there are two types of color panels displayed here: default solid colors and default gradients. You can choose either one based on your requirements. Once you choose any gradient color, you'll see options for different gradient styles. Let's try them one by one and see how they look and when we might use them in our designs.
To match our background with the reference design, we'll use a dark black color on the sides and blue in the center of the background. But what if this exact look isn't available in the gradient styles? Let's see how we can adjust the settings manually. Click on this plus icon and the gradient color settings will open. Now, hold any one of the color box and move it in the opposite direction. That's it. Your background colors have changed. Add some text and write whatever you'd like to include on your thumbnail. Click here to change the font style. You can also type to search for a specific font if you want. You can change the font size by entering a number or by using the plus or minus icons. Click on this plus icon to duplicate the text. Then edit it based on your needs. Go to Elements and search for the character you want to add to your thumbnail design. You can also generate an image based on your needs by clicking on Generate Image. Canva AI will then create whatever you describe. As you can see, 4 different image options have been created here. You can choose any one of them if you like it and use it in your design. Click here to remove the background from the added image. Resize the image by holding this point. To add a shadow behind the image, first select the image. Then go to Edit, scroll down, and click on Shadow. Once you click on Shadow, the shadow options will open. From here, choose the one that you like. Let's say I choose Glow. By default, a black glow is applied to the image. Now, scroll down and you'll see several options. Using these settings, you can change the glow color, the size, the blur amount, and the intensity. Move this point to see the size settings. You can adjust the blur amount from here. Then, scroll down just a little and adjust the intensity from here. Click here to duplicate the image. Now you'll notice the text has moved behind the image. To fix this, go to Layer and open Show Layers. From here, move the text above the image, or move the image downward. Go to Elements and search for a question mark.
of the thumbnail you've copied. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.